you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
There is a certain calm that arrives unannounced. A calm that doesn't ask you to rush, to prove, or even to perform. It simply whispers, "You have done enough." Maybe that's what life after 40 feels like. A quieter kind of strength. A phase where you stop chasing the perfect plan and start living the present one. Every season of life teaches us something new. My 20s taught me to dream, 30s to balance, and the 40s, well, I'm looking forward. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. Today's video is a small reflection of the seasons of life through home, heart, and a few corners of our home that hold quiet stories of change. So, let's get started. For me, the rhythm of the home always begins here, in the kitchen. Making breakfast, lunch, dinner prep. Some days, it's as simple as cleaning a corner, and somehow, even that gives me happiness, lifts my mood. Because life, in the season I am right now, brings its share of moody changes. And on the other days, it's the comfort of baking something warm like a batch of soft golden muffins. Today I am going to share with you all a muffin recipe that called Morning Glory Muffin. To make around 24 medium-sized muffins, you will need the measurements you see here on the screen. I started grating the apple and then realized it would turn brown in no time. So for now, I'll keep them aside and start with the dry ingredients first. You will see what I was talking about. Today, I'm baking just 12, so I have used half of those measurements. I'm keeping half of the dry ingredients in the fridge to bake another batch next week. I'm using an electric hand mixer here, but you can easily use a simple whisk too. It works just as well, no doubt about it. Homemaking, just like life, isn't about doing everything at once. It's about blending one thing you love with another you do out of responsibility. Because no matter what season of life you are in, The smell of freshly cooked food or freshly baked muffins has a way of filling your heart and fixing almost anything. Adding desiccated coconut is optional, you can skip it. Honestly, I find baking to be the easiest of all. Just assemble the ingredients, mix them well, pop them into the oven, and you are done. And while these muffins are baking, there is something new in the bedroom that I'm excited to show you. We finally changed our bed after so many years. I had actually designed a lovely poster bed and approached a local wood shop to customize it. But the one they delivered was a complete disappointment. The finish, the polish, the build, even the quality. Nothing matched the design or the effort we had imagined. Over the years, I have bought many pieces from Urban Ladder, this wooden almirah, our sofa, the wing chair, and these dining chairs. Each one has held up beautifully. So this time, after a lot of thought, we got the bed from them too. It's simple, functional. These muffins are so delicious. They smell like winter. Do try them. They are not at all difficult, even if you think so. We were initially looking for a shisham wood bed but couldn't find one that matched both our taste and the tone of the room. This one is made of mango wood, a hydraulic storage model, a blend of modern design and detailed with this beautiful cane work. I have added these wall molding here. The finishing and painting are still pending. You know, updating your home at this stage of life feels a bit different. It's not about trends anymore. It's about how something makes you feel every single day. In today's Kuch Baatein segment, I want to talk about the seasons of life. I have stepped into my 40s carrying a collection of experiences. Some joyful, some messy, and many that quietly taught me who really I am. Last month, I made this Kitchen King masala and it turned out so good that I thought to sharing it with you all. You can find the full recipe here. I'm taking half of the measurements today. This batch will make around 150 grams of masala. Throughout my 30s, I suffered from what I call the perfect woman syndrome. Constantly trying to be the perfect caretaker of life. Whenever I saw comments where people called me a perfect woman, I felt this pressure to keep rolling this image here. My 30s was all about juggling YouTube edits, brand deadlines, diaper changes, school runs, cooking, cleaning, caregiving, all in the same hour, all with a smile. Life was spinning at full speed, mixing everything together until I couldn't tell one roll from another. And then one day I heard life itself, the clock whispering, "It's time to pause and let the train go." Once I entered my 40s, something quietly shifted inside me. I became more of an "it's okay" woman instead of a perfect one. And trust me, that feeling is truly liberating. Right now, I'm in that season of life where dreams have evolved, friendships have changed, and priorities have rearranged themselves gently. I have learned to wait for the next train. The aroma of this masala is mon bhalo kora. It's been 14 years since we bought home this console table, and recently I noticed the sign of time. Small scratches, dull polish, little marks that tell their own stories. I had bought it from an online store that doesn't even exist anymore. At first, I thought of painting it, but then decided to give it a softer update by adding cane sheets to the doors. All you need is a cane sheet, a glass sheet, wooden beading, and a good carpenter. It took us about 2 hours to fix the sheets, and now it looks so charming, like something quietly aging yet growing beautiful with time. What do you think? Let me know. Maybe that's what life after 40 feels like too. Not about replacing what we once believed, but gently restoring what still holds happiness. Life after 40 feels different, lot more honest, where we start valuing depth over speed.
Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart at so strong.
As you watch this video, tell me which season of life you are in right now. If you are in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s, tell me in the comments. Have you ever listened to what life is quietly whispering to you? Share your thoughts in any language you are comfortable with, because emotions are universal. Thank you for waiting for me, for being here, for being part of this little online home. I will share how I have organized this console table in next video. See you soon in another story from this home. Till then, take care of your home, your heart, and your phase of life. Bye bye.
You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.